In this video, I'm going to show you how to get cheap shipping on CNfans. Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you quick and easy ways to get cheap or even free shipping on CNfans. Follow these steps and you'll save money on every order. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification so you never miss a deal. First is to check for free shipping promotions. Visit homepage for banners or pop-up offering free shipping and deals. Look for limited time promotions during special events. Second is to join the membership program. Just simply sign up for an CNfans loyalty or premium membership and then enjoy free or discounted shipping on selected orders. Third is to use free shipping coupons. Find promo codes on CNfans official website, newsletter, or social media, and just simply apply the code to check out for instant savings. Fourth is to shop during sales events. Buying during major sales like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or Chinese New Year for free shipping offers. Fifth is to bundle orders. Add multiple items to your cart to meet the free shipping minimum spend. Fewer shipments is equals to lower costs. Six is to use referral programs. Invite friends to CNfans using your referral link and earn free shipping credits when they make their first purchase. Seven is contact customer support. Ask about ongoing free shipping promotions directly from customer support. Thank you for watching.